Mastering English phrases. Do a puzzle, Unpacked. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, do a puzzle. This might seem straightforward, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Let's dive into what this phrase means and how you can use it in everyday English conversations. Do a puzzle is a common English expression. At its core, it means engaging in the activity of assembling a puzzle. Puzzles are usually made up of many different pieces that fit together to form a complete picture or solve a problem. The word do, in this context, refers to the act of participating in this activity. It's not just about finishing the puzzle, but also about the process of trying to put it together. When we say, do a puzzle, we can be referring to several types of puzzles. 1. Jigsaw puzzles. These are made of interlocking pieces that form a picture when assembled. 2. Crossword puzzles. These involve filling in words into a grid based on clues. 3. Sudoku. A number puzzle based on logic. 4. Brain teasers. These are problems or riddles that require thought and cleverness to solve. Each type offers a unique challenge and helps in sharpening the mind and improving problem-solving skills. Let's see how do a puzzle can be used in different sentences. 1. I like to do a puzzle in my free time to relax. 2. My grandmother loves doing crossword puzzles every morning. 3. The kids spent the afternoon doing a jigsaw puzzle together. 4. Do you want to do a puzzle with me? Notice how the phrase can be adapted depending on the context and the type of puzzle mentioned. In many English-speaking cultures, doing puzzles is a popular pastime. It's often associated with family bonding, relaxation, and educational activities for children. Puzzles are not just games. They're tools for mental exercise and skill development. And there you have it. Do a puzzle is more than just a phrase. It's an invitation to engage in a fun, brain-boosting activity. Whether you're a language learner or a puzzle enthusiast, I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Happy puzzling, and see you in our next video.